Hi everyone, and welcome to the Tech Review. Today, we're taking a closer look at a game changer in the smartphone market, Samsung's Galaxy A series. Samsung, a South Korean multinational company that manufactures smart mobile phones, has introduced three phones of its famous A series, A15, A15 5G, and A25. The company has offered the three phones in different RAM and memory modules, but the screen and battery of all the phones have been kept the same, while the charger has been given the same in all the three A series phones. The company has offered all three phones with a 6.5-inch screen, a 5000 mAh battery, and a 25-watt fast charger. Similarly, the operating system of Android 14 has been given in all three phones, but the chip of A15 and A25 has been given separately. All the three phones have the same security features, including fingerprint sensor, but the difference between the three phones is the memory and camera features. The A15 and A15 5G phones have been introduced with 8GB of RAM and 128 and 256 GB of storage. Both phones have a 13-megapixel selfie camera on the front, while both have three cameras on the back. On the back of both phones, the main camera is 50 megapixels. The second 5 and the third camera is 10 megapixels. Similarly, the A25 has been introduced with 6 and 8 GB of RAM, while 256 GB of storage. A25 also has a 13-megapixel selfie camera on the front and 3 cameras on the back. The main camera on the back of the phone is 50 megapixels, while the second one is 8 megapixels and the third one is 10 megapixels. The price of the company's A15 phones starts from around 58,000 Pakistani rupees, while the maximum price of both phones is set at 73,000 rupees. Similarly, the price of A25's 6GB RAM module is 76,000 Pakistani rupees, while the price of 8GB RAM is kept up to 79,000 rupees. The company has initially launched the three phones in Vietnam, but will soon go on sale in other countries in the region, including Pakistan. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the amazing world of the Samsung Galaxy A series. We'll see you next time on the Tech Review.